In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a QR code with no technical knowledge, and then also how to design it without any design skill completely for free. If that sounds good, I want you guys to leave a like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on. I'm going to show you how to create a QR code right now, step by step, in the easiest way possible. You don't need any technical skills. Anybody can do it. Open to google.com and type in create a QR code. You're going to click on this link right here, qr-code-generator.com. And then from here, you have a bunch of different options for QR codes that you can do. Now, let's say that you have a website, for example. You own the website. This could be any website. I'm just going to use google.com. You just type in google.com. And then you can see here on the right side, it's going to generate a QR code right now. And the QR code is pretty much this one that you can download via a JPEG, or if you want, you can also print it. You can also get the SVG quality as well, and you can also add some different cool designs as well. And then once you have the one that you like, you can just click download, and then you click on free sign up, or you can sign in with a Google account. And once you're signed in, you can download your QR code, and you can test here that the QR code also works. I'll show you on my camera right now. Okay, so I opened up my iPhone right now. So from here, all you got to do is open up your phone, whatever, if you have an iPhone, if you have Android, and then open up the camera, and then just hover over the QR code, and it should pop up like a hyperlink or like a kind of a link right there, and you just click it, and you can see here it redirects me to google.com. That's how you use the QR code. Next up, I'm going to show you how you can add more designs to your QR code, or how to make it a little more nicer. You're going to open another web browser, go to canva.com. You can use a QR code that you downloaded from here. If you have an account, you're going to want to sign up, but I have an account, so I'm going to log in my account. And once you're on the official Canva website, you're going to want to go to the search bar, type in QR code. And then once you type in QR code, you can see a bunch of different options here, right? And we can see here that we got the QR code. We got the QR code earlier from here. You can use any of these designs. If you have a free account, you can use any of the ones without the Pro on it. So if it doesn't have the Pro logo, you can use it. Let's use a free option. And you can see here, it's like that. You can make it into stickers. You can make it into a lot of different things. We'll customize it. You can change the text QR code. And then you just paste your QR code here. Also, when you generate your QR code, you can literally change it to anything you want. It doesn't have to be Google. You can change it to Wikipedia even, or anything you want. You can email yourself the QR code. You can text yourself the QR code. There's a lot of different options for QR code. Wikipedia.org. And then in Canva, we're going to paste in our QR code. Okay, I'm going to remove this placeholder here. And you can see here, this is the QR code that I downloaded from the website, and adjust it here. You can make it smaller. You can make it bigger. I kind of like it this size. There's a lot of different options for customizabilities. You can change the text if you want to. You can change, there's a lot of different options. I like the last option, but I'll go back to that last. And you can also test that this QR code is working. You can see here I'm open on the camera, my phone. I just tapped the QR code link, and it takes me to Wikipedia. On Canva, there's like literally endless possibilities for different ways that you can edit your QR code. So pretty much this first website was just creating the QR code, right? So whatever website, whatever link source that you wanted to upload it to, you create the QR code, you download the JPEG, and then you go to Canva. You can add more customizability to it. You can see here that I just created it like literally within minutes, generated a QR code, and then it created a really cool design for us. So I can print it as a sticker, stick it everywhere, and the possibilities are endless really for this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace out.